When it comes to canoes, there's a saying from way back when. Everyone that touches a canoe adds their personal mana to the canoe. So as many people as possible that can work on small canoes, large canoes, they add the personal mana to it and it gives it life. Our organization, the Friends of Hokule'a Hawai'iloa, was started by Wright Bowman Jr. as a gathering place for craftsmen and those who know and want to build canoes.
All these canoes here are pretty much throwaways, but I like to restore them. I've been doing this for most of my life.
Cannot explain what a good feeling it is to work with people like this. Come together and just share their knowledge. Like every day, every minute, I learn something new every day.
Our job is to take care of canoes, whether they be small ones or large voyaging canoes like Hawaiiloa.
I came back to the canoes because I wanted a stronger connection to my grandparents. My grandfather helped build Hokulea and many other canoes like Hawaiiloa. My grandmother helped with everything in the background that needs to be done for voyaging.
Right now, that promise is focused on Hawaiiloa. We're trying to get the canoe ready to take the canoe to Alaska.
I think it's really important this coming voyage because we're taking the canoe home.
It was actually built using Sitka spruce logs from Alaska.
We couldn't find koa trees large enough here in Hawaii. We couldn't have built this canoe without the gift of these logs.
Hawaiiloa would not exist if it wasn't for the people of the Sea Alaska Corporation, the Tlingit, the Haida, and Chishmen. We intend to actually spend a year there so we can visit as many of the Alaskan people as possible to tell them thank you for this gift.
We have to get people back and forth to be able to get on for the next crew, to be able to continue the voyage.
The charity miles will allow us to do that. We are trying to continue cultural traditions of the Native Hawaiian people. That's part of our mission, to care for and maintain and build traditional ways with our canoes. Our idea is to teach as many as possible. We need to have these traditions live on, otherwise they're going to be lost forever.